In order to determine the rate of photosynthesis, the oxygen gas emitted by an aquatic plant is collected over water at a temperature of 298.15 Kelvin and a total pressure of 760 mmHg. Over a specific time period, a total of 1.75 liters of gas is collected. What mass of oxygen gas in grams forms? The partial pressure of water at 298.15 Kelvin is 23.8 millimeters mercury. If you start with the ideal gas equation, you can actually derive a formula for the mass of the gas, and that is M is equal to MPV over RT. So if you want to see the derivation of this formula, you can check the description box below. So M here stands for the molar mass of the gas. So our gas is oxygen gas, O2. And the unit, of course, is grams per mole. P here is the pressure of the gas. So this is pressure of O2. And the unit is ATM, or atmosphere. V is the volume. And the unit is liters. R is the gas constant. The unit is liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. And T is the temperature. And the unit must be in Kelvin. So let's start with M. M is the molar mass of the gas. So the molar mass of oxygen gas, O2, is 32 grams per mole. So that's M. Next is the pressure of O2. If we read the problem, we are given the total pressure, which is 760 mmHg. That is not yet the pressure of oxygen gas. That is the total pressure. It also says here that oxygen gas is collected over water. So when you say it is collected over water, that means the total pressure is equal to the sum of the pressures of oxygen and the pressure of water. So this is an application of Dalton's law of partial pressure, which states that the total pressure is equal to the sum of the partial pressures of the gases. So we are given the total pressure, which is 760 millimeters mercury. We don't know the pressure of oxygen gas yet, but we know the pressure of water, which is given 23.8 mmHg. So if we solve for the pressure of oxygen gas, that is just 760.0 mmHg minus 23.8 mmHg, and the pressure of oxygen gas is equal to 736.2 mmHg. But according to the formula, the unit must be in ATM. So we need to convert this to ATM. So 1 ATM is equivalent to 760 mmHg. So mmHg will cancel. And the pressure in ATM is 0.9687 ATM. So that's the pressure of oxygen gas. Next is the volume. So the volume must be in liters, but according to the problem, we are given 1.75 liters. So the volume is 1.75 liters. We already know R, that is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin. And for temperature, the given is 298.15 Kelvin. So T is equal to 298.15 Kelvin. Now we can solve for the mass of the gas since we know all the values we need. So again, the formula is molar mass. So that's 32 grams per mole times pressure P, that is 0.9687 atm, and then volume 1.75 liters divided by R, that is 0.0821 liter atmosphere per mole Kelvin, and temperature is 298.15 Kelvin. So if we solve for the mass, so moles would cancel, atm would cancel, liters would cancel, Kelvin would cancel, we are left with grams. So the mass is 2.22 grams of oxygen gas. And that is the answer to this question.